This is the journey to one Africa.
Regime is oriented to Russia to make Russia a strategic partner in all areas, military, economic, cultural. This is the reason why Burkina Faso Economic Days Forum is held here in Moscow, during which we will see businessmen from Burkina Faso and their Russian counterparts expressing their needs, so we will see in which way they can complement each other. Russian House in Burkina Faso was opened, and there is a project to open digital university in Ouagadougou, which will cover the whole region. There is a project to open international youth organization in Ouagadougou, and there are other projects that come up. How I have said, we have trust in each other. Russia trusts the new government in Burkina Faso, and the government in Burkina trusts Russia as a true partner and looks up to Russia in international arena. Our head of state has thought about solutions to energy problem in Burkina Faso, and among others, he considers nuclear energy. And as soon as Russia is advanced in this area, we wanted to start negotiations with Russia to see how we can build our own nuclear power plant. And apart from nuclear, we are also considering to use hydropower. There are some agricultural products grown in Burkina Faso that are interesting for Russia. For example, we have a big project for mangoes, which is in demand in Russia. Also, we can talk about sesame seeds. We also produce a lot of cotton, and I don't know if there is a big demand for cotton here, but you can go and set up industry for cotton production and processing on the ground in Burkina Faso. And this is what we are looking for. We would want to see transformation of sector of cotton production in Burkina Faso. I think such players like Russia, China, Iran, that have a system to control education, which is used within those countries, we cannot always be dependent on instruments of those who want to dominate us and come with its allies. We should always have partners who consider us serious, whom we are confident in, and who support us in our path to sovereignty. That's why we want to discuss these projects with Russia. Why Ukrainians started showing up in the region? It's to harm Russia, because there is cooperation in military and security sectors between Russia and the three countries. So to harm Russia, they are collaborating with our enemies who are terrorists. We can't accept it. We will align with ourselves, with position of Mali, the same people that attack Mali, Burkina Faso and Niger. They attack all of us. So if there are Ukrainian terrorists that attack Mali, it means that Ukraine is also attacking our country. It's the same when one subject of the Russian Federation is attacked, whole Russia is attacked. So it's the same with us. If terrorists attacked Mali, they attacked Burkina Faso in Niger. We have formed union and oppose intervention of Ukraine in our country. Ukraine should first of all resolve problems in its own country. This is the position of Burkina Faso. French have their business, we don't intervene in it. The same way, we don't want French to intervene in our affairs. Here in Russia, we are dealing with each other as equals. Russians respect us. With Western countries, it's very different. At the level of the sub-region, we see that there is a new wave of people who talk about our destiny. There is no longer in hands of foreign powers. At the African level, we want to show that it's possible to free yourself, to take your destiny in your own hands. All you need is will and support of your people. Reason is simple. We have this common vision. How come I'm here in Moscow? We have the same vision. We have the same values and mission. We would like to join BRICS to work with our friends. In the event of domination of dollar and euro in global trade and economic system, to make it more fair, we need to balance. More fair economic system can be achieved through a mechanism of BRICS. That's why we want to join it. It's good economically and politically. And politically, because we share the same vision and values. As I have said earlier, economically, because Burkina Faso is growing fast and integrating fast with the two other countries of Sahel, Mali and Niger. There are big prospects for growth, and also it's good for BRICS to have us. There are big opportunities for investment, and we hope for strengthening of cooperation between our countries, cooperation that doesn't limit us, cooperation between states that also means cooperation on the level of individuals and on the level of private companies. Cooperation between our countries, cooperation that doesn't limit us, cooperation between states that also means cooperation on the level of individuals and on the level of private companies.
This is the journey to one Africa.